what's your experience?
It's fantastic results, better than I imagined.
And has anybody commented about them? This is Tyler. He's 33 years old and had a strip or FUT transplant 1 year ago approximately to address the Norwood 3 pattern of hair loss. He now presents 1 year later, and you can see that he has had a very good regrowth with extremely natural hairline, and that is high density. You can see the extremely good regrowth both in the interior scalp and the areas of transplant. Tyler, what's your experience?
It's fantastic results, better than I imagined.
And has anybody commented about them?
Nobody knew that I got a hair transplant. I ended up taking about 3.5 weeks off work, and then by the time I got back, nobody had noticed.
Perfect. And has it changed things for you having a transplant?
I certainly have more confidence.
And to those thinking of getting a transplant done, what would you say?
Definitely come and see you.